the things I do to not get clocked. That music y'all hear back here is coming from my keyboard. I recorded something real quick and just put it on a loop. We're gonna try to show y'all this recipe for fried green tomatoes. I'm gonna call them chicken fried green tomatoes because, yeah, I did a little something different. So what we have here is we got the green tomatoes straight from the garden. We also have the zucchini from the garden. I already used some of that. Y'all know I had to practice before I showed y'all. We got pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika. That's nice for color. Basil leaves. It gives it a nice little taste. I'm not a professional, but I know what I'm doing, y'all. In here, I started to pour some cornmeal and breadcrumbs. I gotta add the flour, and I got the eggs over here. So that's all you need. Oh, I got some salt too, but that's on the other side of the kitchen. So let's get started and cut some tomatoes. And there goes our flash. Okay, y'all, so I cut up a tomato. I put them on the paper towel and a zucchini because they carry a lot of water. They are mostly, they carry a lot of water. So you want to get some of that moisture out of here or this stuff won't really stick to it. Now, here's the eggs. There's 2 eggs in here and a little dash of milk. I whipped that really good to make sure all the yolks was broken up. Broken hearted. Okay, yeah, so I did that. And then we're going to go back and forth, back and forth. Now, with the seasonings, y'all, I made a mess. I ain't editing. I'm not going to edit. I'm not going to clean it up yet because it ain't got to be cute all the time. We getting messy anyway. We cooking. It's fun. It's supposed to be fun. But in this bowl, I have all-purpose flour, a cup. I have a cup of cornmeal, probably a little bit more of each. I don't know. I ain't measuring right now. I'm just adding stuff until my ancestors tap me on the shoulder and say, baby, that's enough now. So I got that, and I mixed it all together. Make sure they all, friends, and they comfortable with each other. Everything is all right. And I'm going to put these seasonings in here. Y'all season it how y'all want it. Y'all know how to season food now. Shake it. I'll say if you want a tip on how much to put on there, go around the bowl 3 times with the shake it. Count to 10. I don't know. However, y'all know how to season food now. Come on now. Example. Here's the onion powder. This is just an example for the onion powder. And that's enough. See? That's it. That's all you need. Then you're going to add this other stuff. Stir it up. Mix it all together. And then we'll be back with the dredging process. Okay, y'all. I done made a mess. But I hope I didn't talk too fast before. But I'm going to try to slow it down. 2 eggs beaten together with a little dash of milk. It just makes things better for me. I do that when I actually cook eggs. So the milk will make it not so... I don't know. It'll just give it a little extra oomph to it. And in the flour, cornmeal, and breadcrumb mix, I did all the seasonings. I stirred them all together until I felt like they were all married and ain't no chance of divorce. Huh? Hallelujah! My grease is getting hot, so y'all, we about to start dredging. I got on my gloves, and I'm going to try to do this. So first I'm going to take a zucchini. Put it in the milk, egg wash, whatever you want to call it. And then let me move this fork because it's getting on my nerves anyway. And then we want to put this in here. Drag that thing through there. Huh? Put that thing up in there. And then you go back. Huh? Then you go back. And then you go back. Don't worry about taking the excess egg off, y'all. I just feel like it'll stick better if it got that excess egg on there. Because it's going to fry off anyway. We're going to cover it. Wait, let me see. I'm doing terrible at holding this camera, y'all. But we're going to put that back on the paper towel. And that's how it's going to look. By the time we get to the oil, all that excess stuff going to go, y'all. Just go back and forth until you feel like, oh, okay. That's enough. Just go back and forth. And then you ain't got to worry about no salmonella because you ain't going to use this no more. As soon as you're done doing all this, you're going to throw it away. All right? And now we're going to take these over to the oil. And I'll meet y'all over there. Well, we're going to go at the same time. It ain't like I got a camera crew. Hell. So I dropped them in, y'all. Sorry, I was stuttering too much in the last clip when I showed myself putting them in there. But they only been in there for about 30 seconds. We don't want them in there long because we don't want them to absorb too much grease. Which is why I have this over here. This rack with paper towels on it. So when they're done, we take them out. We put them on the rack. We let them drain as much as they can. And I'll show y'all the part after that. But these are about done. So I'm going to flip them. And then I'll be back to take them out. And I'm going to put some more in too. But I'm going to show y'all the end results. I believe I can fry. Grab the skillet, cut the fire on high. Wait. What do you say? I can fry if I just spread my wings. I can fly. Oh, I'm gonna burn this one. Okay, y'all. All right. I could not find my long serving tray that these would have been perfect sitting in there. It would look so nice, but I couldn't find it. But this is what they look like. What I did was sprinkle some Parmesan cheese and some parsley flakes on them and a little salt. I try not to use a lot of salt when I'm cooking, but my food still be good. And a lot of y'all probably like, you can't even tell that's a vegetable. What's the point? A vegetable, you're supposed to eat a vegetable to be healthy. Well, listen, it's a fun little appetizer. You can see the vegetable inside. All you got to do is bite through the crust. What that man say on the commercial? A one, a two, there you go. Zucchini, tomato in your mouth. Just bite it, eat it. Cooking supposed to be fun. You know, we eat healthy. We drink slushies and smoothies and eat kale all day. You can have a little fun sometimes. Huh? Hopefully y'all don't need me to type out the recipe, because I think I did enough. But if so, let me know. I'm probably going to do it anyway. But hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Y'all was asking how I did it, and this is how I did it. So they are not, like I said, they are not traditional fried green tomatoes. They are chicken fried green tomatoes and zucchini slices. That's it. It's fun. Dip them in some ranch sauce and have fun. Next time you have a brunch, be like, oh, you know what? Finally Aaron told me to do this. And they're going to be like, well, what's up? Nah, I need to follow him. But yeah, hopefully y'all, because I'm going to taste one of these right now. Well, hallelujah.